गुड मॉर्निंग सगळे गोंयकार. हो फुडलो हेराल्डाचो न्यूज पळय. विला रेंटल स्कॅम बस्टेड इन गोवा. हें केन्नाच्यान जाता रे? आयका रे. टुरिझम मिनिस्टर मिस्टर रोहन कावंटे, प्लीज लिसन. Can you issue a statement to all this booking.com and .com that before first page of any hotel's profile or wherever they are, whichever bloody booking.com they are, that they carry a valid license from your department. हे सांगशी तांकां? Or at least come in the paper and issue a statement to all tourists and fire off letters to all tourism departments in the country that when you're booking a hotel in Goa, the first thing they will show is a valid certificate that they are registered with the tourism. How many years this is going on? You are all aware of it. You all have not bothered. Cybercrime ha मरे तुमचेशीन. कितक्यात बिला बोंगले भाड्याक दिता मरे. कोण एक्टर आहा ही 1.5 लाख घेता. Has he followed the same norms as we all have? And has he paid to get his license? ना. एक्टर म्हणून तुम्ही बोकान गेले रे तेजे मातशें चॅक मारान पळय. हांव मातशें आदीं. Every person who is on digital on the net advertising for their hotel should show a valid license from the tourism department. हे सांग मरे. सायबर पोलीस तुजेशीन हा. इश्यू स्टेटमेंट्स क्विक. हेय पावले तुजेशीन नको. आतां हें पळय दुसरें पळया. तेजी बोटां पळय पाड पडलेल्या न्हू. बोटां पळय तेजी 4 बोटां गेली मरे ह्या जमनाची. तेजो गव्हर्मेंट तरी कितें दितलो. हांगासर हितून कितें जूडिथ आल्मेडा. तूं सारकेंच मुगो बाबुलें म्हाका दिसता. Don't you know that all these businesses are functioning on HAFTA? They are functioning on HAFTA. Nothing but HAFTA they are functioning on. 6-7 months ते राउंड मारीत आहा. टुरिझमान डिपार्टमेंटाक खबर ना आनी कोणाक कांयच ना. Please, Judith, remember that everything that functions in Goa illegally is functioning on HAFTA. And neither are they going to be given licenses because they cannot collect HAFTA after they get licenses. Now, forget about all the story. Who is going to pay that girl's father a compensation? Surely she was highly educated. बोर्ड बुडली मेलो मिस्टेक सगळ्या जाणांची आमची येयलेल्या डिपार्टमेंटाची तेज्या फॅमिलीक कांयच काडून दिवंक ना. हांव आतां बोटीकारान कितें काडून दिलें म्हणून. As a responsible minister of tourism, Mr. Rohan Kaunte, can that guy's ass and from the tourist department money hand over at least 25 lakhs to that girl's father? If you care about tourism in Goa. कांयच खबर ना. तुका खबर ना, तेका खबर ना. एक एकलो दुसऱ्या बोटांक दाखयता. Isn't this a tourist activity, paragliding? Weren't you aware of this? हे पळय मरे हांगासर कंप्लेन केन्ना सन केल्या. एक्शन कित्याक घेवंक नासलें? घेवंक नासलें डायरेक्ट सांगता. हाफ्ता पावलेलो म्हणून घेवंक नासलें. जाग्यार घाल. बाय.